in car using LabVIEW. Nowadays, pollution due to air conditioning have increased abruptly. So we took up this issue and have come up with this project. We preferred LabVIEW because it has infinite applications such as controlling and monitoring purposes. Here we use LabVIEW for both controlling and monitoring purpose. The components used for our project are thermoelectric cooler 12706, a relay unit, the thermoelectric cooler modules, blower, 12-volt power supply, a duct, the LabVIEW for monitoring and controlling purposes. Heat sink at the backside of the tech for absorbing the heat, and the fan the blower, which is used to absorb the air from the external environment, and it is made to fall on the tech module. The tech module, Tech 12706, is a thermoelectric cooler which produces heat and the cold on the either of the junctions when a 15-volt DC power supply is provided. The cold junction is used for the cooling purpose inside the cars. The blower, which absorbs the air, and it is made to fall on this tech module, which provides the cooling air inside the car so that the cooling is obtained inside the car. The other side, which produces the heat, is absorbed by the heat sink provided near to that, and this heat sink dissipates the heat to the external environment by providing the fans at the junctions. The amount of the heat which is dissipated from inside the car to the external environment provides much better cooling inside the car. The tech module is provided with a 15-volt DC power supply and the relays which are connected in series with the duct systems. The relays the temperature sensor LM35, which senses the temperature inside the car, and it is given to the analog input to the duct system. The duct system is connected to the PC through an interface. The output from the duct is taken by an 2-pin supply of analog out, which provides 6-volt DC. It is connected to the relay in serial. The power supply is on. Now the blower provides an air to the tech module such that the cooling inside the car is obtained. Now the temperature sensor senses the temperature inside the car. The set temperature what we have given is 20. If the user needs the temperature less than that of the set temperature, the indication is given as high cooling must be done. Now, the duct system, which provides an input to the relay supply such that it cuts the power supply to the tech module, so that on the 6 series tech module, in that 3 modules are disconnected. Now the set temperature is 20. The temperature sensor senses the temperature inside the car, and it is indicated as 32.5 degrees Celsius, which is prevailing inside the car. Now a high cooling must be done since the set temperature is 20. A 6-volt DC output is taken from the duct and it is given to the relay unit, and the relay unit in order that it switch on the tech modules on switch on all the tech modules. Now the temperature sensor senses the temperature inside the car and it is given to the dash and from the dash it is monitored in the PC. Now it is indicated that the user attained the required temperature and the no changes done is also indicated. Now the temperature prevailing inside the car is 20 degrees, which is decreased from 32.5 degrees Celsius to 20 degrees Celsius in 20 minutes. This is DAC assistant by which a temperature is sensed by the temperature sensor, and the other one is the set temperature, which is expressed in terms of numeric controller, and the DAC assistance temperature is displayed through the thermometer, and these are the two which are used for controlling the tech module power supplies. It compares the two inputs. If it is greater, then the relay will switch on all the 6 modules, such that here a display is given as high cooling must be done. The DAC assistance temperature is lesser than that of set temperature, then the output is displayed and the relay unit gives an input to the tech module, such that three tech modules should be power off, and the display is given as low cooling must be done. If both the inputs are compared, then if it is equal, then the output is displayed and the display comes such that user attain the required cooling, and in order that no changes to be done.